Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy Buds4 Pro and I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the neck stretch reminders. So as you can see, we have got here the application, and this application is only available when we have the application set up. This application is called the Galaxy Wearable. And so, I'll first scroll down to the advanced features, and here I've got neck stretch reminders. Here, tap this tick icon, and now earbud calibration. You need to perform the earbud calibration, so put your earbuds in your ears, and now start. We have our earbuds being calibrated. We'll look for your head level. You should hear it in your earbud. So look forward until you hear a chime. Pull your head down until you hear a chime. Now I have my head tilted down. Now I am having my head turned back and tilted up actually until I hear chime, and now we have our earbuds calibration done. And now we have our neck stretch reminders enabled. And now here we have got the explanation. If you hunch over your phone or desk, your head tends to lean forward, which can cause back and neck health issues over time. Your earbuds can detect your head position and notify you when you have bent your head downward for 10 minutes. Here we have how to stretch your neck. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.